Sakaway pat ka projek thungdieng kami awaki forestation project balab trei takatanat Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Officer East Jandils Division Klirian lale asnong narwan hakadong kamay purun kablabay tingka daka District Mineral Foundation DMF la pilihin kasi ka sautrek unailu ajapsan daka MLA Sutnga-Saipung kong Santa Marishala kadi ka project kadai kablabay tingka daka District Mineral Foundation DMF East Jandils District kalabay tingka hadu kan riulang san pawaja tingka laru ban benram hangni bakani kami awaki afforestation method kadai ka bejulia kinong Japan ke Japanese botanist Akira Miyawaki habakren ngum ka kongsan ta Mary Shila kalai kublay ya katana Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Officer East Jandil District but ya kinong penyal snong jong snong narwan kiblay tre shitam lang ha kabah tei ya kamaryang kabah kuprong jerngam. Deputy Commissioner ke East Jandil District, Ushivan Shawasti IS, ulapan syai halor ke jingnan kam ke ni ke projek thungdieng, kabadan ke jing temu ban pen ke imbyang ya ke kendo badong ru bawatla ke DMF fund kanumla ban lelut ya baro ki kam penroi Henry ke ni ke projek thungdieng kade ke wei ke badan kam baha ban ansale hakibi kibi ki jakaru ya kabah kum ke ni ke projek thungdieng kaba unbaiting kaling baka Meghalaya Environment Protection and Restoration Fund MEPRF hadin kejingelang lapelong ya kejing thungdieng ha kabale shimbentalang da kongsan ta Mary Shila Deputy Commissioner ki he sarkar bat ki nong snong narwan bat kani kami awaki afforestation project ha snong narwan kamai prun ka ha papo ka Saipung Sianadi blong kadan ke jing he ke bahadu hektar ke jaka thungdieng.
Local species.
Funds which we are going to propose from the government. So one more request from Soil and Water Conservation Department is that today, although we are going to do the inauguration, I would request and hope that you ensure that maximum survival of these plantation happens, and once we visit after 3 years, 4 years, we hope and see, we expect to see dense jungle here. So that is it from my side. Again, I would like to thank our Honorable MLA for being present for the program, and this is very important thing for us because this is not just for the present generation. Whatever resources our district has been blessed with, be it mining resources, the extraction of these mining resources is obviously helping our present generation. We are getting industries, we are getting employment, but our previous generations have left the environment for us, so it is our duty for our children, for our next generation to come, that we leave our district, our state in the same condition with same natural resources like how our ancestors left it for us. So with this, I would like to end my speech. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Pigi nong chong narwan, pas pigi ginu giman be giman pala. Pat gini gideng nato wa daput kinamo da si inamo pentip cigi hatch nong pentip cigi office yo ye pen papan bet ya gani ka den ka prau yo ye penyu ka te ka nuksan na ka chnong narwan kini ki kam da miet gi yo ye le sigi gi chnong le singa ba ka te ka jingar pat de leong na tam hoy man gani ka bisa yo sep ai go yo ye pi kre kurum yo chu pi mana yo pi kani dang bon chu yo mana bhagi kam yo pi tengah kitbok kirwang pi woro kinong chnong yo gani ka chnong narwan yo ha chnong de komiti yo gani ka chnong woro yo pi di nang di chat dang